lunch. Amen.
Amen.
So, this is my food. I'm eating at my mom's house, so we're having Sunday lunch. So we have some broccoli, some sweet potato, lasagna, and then I've got some chicken wings. Fantasy wings is a chutney. Sweet and sour, she said.
I think it's the best lasagna.
You say that with every lasagna though.
Try it.
Hy sê sy beste lasagna en nou sê vir my sê so elke keer. Hy kan nie sê elke keer sy beste nie. That's what Deandra always does too.
That's good, eh?
I need to up my lasagna game. I can make it. Ek moet nou begin 'n lasagna maak. Hy het lewer gemaak gister. Toe hy was op die kamp met my te bring. Nou praat vir my ook nog steeds. Hy het dit geëet. Did you eat it? Oh, lasagna is good.
That's a good lasagna.
Kom maar, met verrijken de broccoli. Gee alsjeblieft. Yeah, I must give you one. Wait, let me try the chicken. She cracked it.
Yes, take it out.
Do you guys do like Sunday lunches here? No, it's not like a big thing.
No.
In South Africa, Sunday lunch. That's your meal. Your lunch is your dinner. You guys eat it then?
It's after church.
After church.
Take it out the family. Take it out.
Are you going for seconds?
Yeah.
No, must do mommy for daddy for that. En dis die eerste keer wat mami nou so groot geword en dat hy op vakansie is. Hey, what? The drink? Het is altijd lekker om bij jou ma se huis te eet. Jou ma se kos. Yummy.
Eat that.
Klapte.